The recent turmoil caused by Poland's border closure disrupting rail links between China and Europe has yet to fully subside. Attention has now shifted to the Istanbul Bridge merchant ship, which departed from Ningbo, China and reached the UK in just 20 days, setting multiple records. The U.S. website Military Watch commented that, for the first time, a Chinese merchant ship bypassed Western-controlled waters and, with Russia's assistance, opened a direct shipping route between China and Europe. As climate warming melts Arctic sea ice, the Northern Sea Route is gaining prominence. Europe began exploring this route around the year 2000, drawn primarily by its potential to reduce traditional shipping times to Asia, which typically took about 40 days via the Suez Canal, to under 30 days. After years of testing, the Northeast Passage along Russia's northern coast has gradually emerged as the primary route, complemented by the Northwest and Central Passages, currently navigable only by icebreakers. In August 2013, the COSCO shipping Yongxing departed from Taicang Port in China. After 27 days and approximately 8,000 nautical miles, it successfully transited the Northeast Passage to reach the port of Rotterdam in the Netherlands, marking China's first attempt at this Arctic route. Post-analysis revealed that the Arctic route saved the Yongxing 15 days compared to traditional shipping lanes, shortened the voyage by 2,800 nautical miles, and reduced fuel consumption by 252 tons. Subsequently, the vessel made multiple Arctic passages and became one of COSCO Shipping's 5 ocean-going cargo ships designated for regular Arctic route operations by 2016. Meanwhile, Russia has recognized the value of the Arctic route, investing heavily in its development. Coupled with accelerated ice melt due to climate warming, the navigable period for the Northeast Passage has expanded from approximately 2 months initially to over 4 months today, early July to late October, often without requiring icebreaker escort. The strategic value behind navigating the Arctic route is even greater. The Istanbul Bridge vessel's Arctic voyage garnered attention for 2 reasons. First, its 20-day transit set a new record, completing the Northeast Passage on its 15th day without icebreaker escort. Though delayed 2 days in the Norwegian Sea due to weather, the theoretical fastest possible time is 18 days, even outpacing the typical 25-day rail transit time between China and Europe. Second, the vessel carried China's signature export products, new energy vehicles, lithium batteries, and photovoltaic equipment, sailing non-stop to Europe, embodying the current model of China-Europe maritime trade. The Istanbul Bridge represents an era. Of course, influenced by multiple factors, the Arctic route is not yet sufficient to overturn the absolute dominance of traditional shipping lanes, and China maintains a clear understanding of this reality. When the Istanbul Bridge departed from China's Zhoushan port, interviews with relevant industry personnel outlined China's current strategic layout. Traditional routes remain the mainstay, China-Europe rail serves as a supplement, and the Arctic route acts as a safety valve. Its strategic value lies in providing an additional option. Whether it was the 2021 incident where the Ever Given container ship accidentally ran aground in the Suez Canal, causing massive congestion, or the recent loss of shipping capacity due to turmoil in the Middle East, these events have demonstrated the vulnerability of traditional routes. The strategic value of China-Europe maritime shipping is self-evident. The Arctic route handled 18 million tons of cargo in the first half of this year, with Chinese merchant ships carrying 6.3 million tons. While insignificant compared to traditional routes, without this safety valve, Western actions would inevitably become more brazen. Moreover, as Arctic shipping capacity expands, Russia and China now have new options for maritime trade. For instance, when Russia previously delivered Kilo-class submarines and S-400 air defense systems to China, these shipments had to traverse traditional routes under Western surveillance. Today, transporting natural gas from Russia's Yamal region and shipping Chinese wind power equipment to Murmansk, Russia, has become routine. Currently, the Arctic route carries relatively high hidden costs, largely offsetting its advantages of faster transit times and reduced fuel consumption. However, its inherent value lies precisely in being beyond Western control. Moreover, its immense future potential makes it a route worth anticipating.